Hey guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel, FJ Vlogs. Guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing, guys. Guys, in today's video, we're gonna do unboxing the new purchase items from Emax and Souk.com, Amazon. It's an Amazon. So, unboxing coming up. Guys, first item we will unbox is this one, guys. Ano ba? Boya MM1. This one, guys, is good when you vlogging outside, especially mahangin, na filter siya, wind filter. So we will open, guys. Ta-da! So this one, see, this feather is used to filter the wind, guys. So, and there is hot show mount here to connect. Hirap. Yeah, like this. So if the camera, it's like that. And there is pouch Boya. Oh, there is two connector. So this is manual, of course. Manual. Hindi mawawalang manual, guys. Yan. Paano ba? Manual. So this is for, see, as you can see, the line is 2. 1, 2. This is for DSLR. And this one, the 3. This is for so we will connect this one. Sorry. I connect here. Tanga. Should be here. And this one we will connect. Ta-da! Done. Finish. Then next items is we have this one, tripod. See this one, guys. Oh, how? So, lightweight tripod, professional lightweight tripod. So professional lightweight tripod, model TR3 140, only 3-way head, built-in level, 3-section aluminum legs, quick lever lock. Ano ba yan? I don't know anything. What does it mean? Wow, it's cool. It's really cool. When you do mountaineering, hiking, sea rides. And we will open the bag. If you oftenly going mountain, this is great for photography, guys. And you want the pictures like not moving, it is steady, so you're gonna have tripod. Oh, so this one, the three-way legs. So this one, let me check. three-way head here, and what is it? Lock, maybe this one, the lock one. So, anyways, I'll show you next time how to connect the DSLR to the tripod and the Boya MM1. And guys, next item to unbox is none other than camera. See this one, guys. EOS Canon 2000D, guys. So we'll open, of course, see the camera, of course we have the camera and the battery, of course, so the lens, guys, and manual, kaliwali manual, EOS 2000D manual, kaliwali. Nowadays, guys, nowadays, guys, manual is just a formality when you buy a gadgets, because everybody's just watching in the YouTube how so search when you get how tutorial is famous now, guys. So, and also, guys, I have this, you can see, photography training voucher, guys, from Canon. Oh, I want to apply terms and conditions. Kaliwali, I can search in YouTube how to film in this camera, how to set the manual mode, how to apply the aperture, ISO, right? So that's it. Now we will connect this. How? Should be like this. Should be like that, guys. This is cool in the camera, guys. If you have like this and then you go around Dubai or like walking around and then the camera is hanging on your neck. Oh, he's a tourist. But the reality is you don't have money. I admit I don't have money. I usually go around Dubai without money. I only have bus card. Guys, kaliwali, I don't know how to put the tie. So first we will remove the battery and we will put the battery here. Tick. When you hear the tick, so it's important to have this cover, guys, so that the dust, it will not go inside. Guys, when you input this lens to the camera, as you can see, there's a white here and white and red dot. It should be on that white portion, and then counterclockwise, and then circle, turn around until you hear that tick, tick. See, and then you're good to go, guys. Okay, see. Okay, we'll try. Guys, diba? So that's it. That's it, guys. In the next video, I will unbox this noon. This is this is connector to the Boya MM1 to the mic, because it should be like this, guys, right? And in the next video, guys, I will put the Boya MM1 to this camera, because I will use this one for my vlog soon, inshallah. So that's it. And this one, guys, I will follow this one on next video. I will do together. Guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to support FJ Vlogs. Ta-da!